Alright guys, sorry about the noise as usual, but we're on site here today. I'm going to test out some of this Wow, the pink. It's the bubble gum. It smells like bubble gum. It's pretty good stuff. I've used it before. I put half of it in here and the rest is water. So we'll see what it does after I'm done doing these wheels. Alright. So today we're going to be doing the standard clean on the wheels using the super clean on the tires. All-purpose cleaner, just trying to get rid of any of the brown. And we're going to be using wheelie clean on the rest. Stay tuned. Actually, I'll just spray it now and let it sit. And this is the wheelie clean and the IK pump foamer. Some good stuff. Love how it foams. Alright guys, it's time to wow them with pink bubble gum. Got it in the foam cannon, got to sauce her up. Can't wait to see what it looks like. Start to notice it loses color once you get down and start running out of the actual soap. So like I said before in another video, they really want you to use it straight up, I guess. So I'm not doing that because it's just too expensive, but it looks good. So I let the soap sit for a little longer than I normally would because it's cool out today for once in South Florida. So it's about time to knock it off. And I guess you guys can watch me do that. Just finished with the Subaru. It's looking really good, super sparkly. Got the wheels looking real good actually. For white wheels, they came out great. Just got to put some tire shine on her. What do you guys think? It's a beautiful car, isn't it? So the owner only wanted a wash, so that's all we did. She didn't want to pay for the wax or anything extra today. Hopefully next time we can get all that in the package. But it was just dirty. What a beautiful car. Alright guys, this is going to be my final thoughts on the Wow bubblegum foam soap plus wax. This stuff actually works pretty good. You have to use a lot of it to get the right color. Like if you want it to be the pink, you're going to have to use probably half the bottle. If you want it to be the yellow, you have to use half the bottle. So on a dollar standpoint, does it make sense? Depends on what your budget is. Or if you're a person that's washing cars for people and you're maybe in a parking lot somewhere and you want to get a lot more customers, this might help you. If you are foaming a pink car and the next person down the street is just doing white, even if they are foaming, they might not be. But I would say this will draw people's eye. They'll come up to you, talk to you, and ask you about it. So I think it's a good look for maybe any of you guys that are starting a business detailing, or for any other person that's just doing it for a hobby. If you have the money to spend, I can't remember exactly what they are, but I would say it's around about $10 for a bottle and you can get 2 washes out of it. So I'd say it's pretty good product. Leaves your car looking real good at the end of the day. So I want to talk about the video before that I shot. I didn't get a chance to show myself actually washing the car. It was basically just to show you the foaming. So I foam it, pressure wash it off, and then I'll re-foam it and use those suds to take care of anything that's on the car when I'm wiping it down. And then I also did the two bucket method at the end of the day with it at the same time, but I just like to keep it real slick with an extra coat of foam. So that's why at the end of the video I left that in, so you can see me re-foam for the second time. All right, guys, have a good one.